The 2025 Renault Clio enters the safety conversation with a modern approach that balances engineering and everyday usability. According to the latest Euro NCAP evaluation, this compact hatchback delivers a complete package that feels reassuring for drivers and passengers in real-world conditions. It earned a 4-star rating, supported by solid performances across adult protection, child safety, and active assistance systems. In adult occupant protection, the Clio received a score of 79%. The passenger compartment stayed stable in frontal crash testing, although chest protection for the driver and passenger was considered weak or marginal. Protection for the knees and femurs was rated as good, and the vehicle behaved predictably as an impact partner. Side impact evaluations produced especially strong results, including maximum points in the mobile barrier test and at least adequate protection in the side pull test. Whiplash protection for both the front and rear seats was also good. Child occupant protection was rated at 82%. Crash tests using seats for 6 and 10-year-old children showed mostly good or adequate protection. The ability to deactivate the front passenger airbag supports the use of rearward-facing child restraints, and the system clearly communicates airbag status to the driver. Even without child presence detection, the tested restraint systems could be installed without difficulty. For vulnerable road users, the Clio received a score of 80%. Pedestrian head protection was generally good or adequate, although the windscreen pillar area performed poorly due to its stiffness. The autonomous emergency braking system responded effectively to pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists, with cyclist detection scoring especially well. Safety assist systems earned a score of 73%. The speed assistance feature reliably detects speed limits, the lane keeping system provides steady corrections, and the braking system performs strongly in vehicle-to-vehicle scenarios. A standard driver monitoring system helps identify fatigue and distraction while driving. Overall, the 2025 Renault Clio delivers meaningful safety performance in a compact package that feels ready for real life.